Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course, guys, for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete Instagram. And of course, this is the latest tutorial for the year 2020 and beyond. All right, so in terms of permanently delete, I do not mean disable, I mean 100% delete. And of course, please note, after doing this, you will not be able to recover your account once it's completed. All right, so let's get straight into it. I'll be using the iPhone to demonstrate. It will also work in the exact same way on Android. All right, so first of all, guys, let's go ahead and find the Instagram app. Make sure you're connected to the internet. And of course, let's go ahead and launch. Once you're here, go to your profile. You can see the profile icon at the bottom of the screen, the extreme bottom left section. So let's go ahead and select that. Once you're on your profile as seen here, you can see my profile. Next, we're going to go ahead and right up here, I'm just going to select the 3 lines. All right, so once you select the 3 lines, simply go ahead, guys. And next, you're going to go and select the settings option. So once you're in settings, next, you're going to go all the way down and you're going to look for the option that says help. Now, once you're in the help section as seen here, go over to help center. And once you're in the help center, you'll notice, of course, the screen that will come up here. And seeing that this has to do with the management of your account, you're going to select the second option right here that says manage your account. All right, so once we're on managing your account, notice you have several options here. And of course, you're going to go straight into delete your account. And of course, as seen here as well, it does run you through the information. It says delete your account. And of course, the important points, it says how to temporarily disable your Instagram account. And also it says, how do I delete my Instagram account? And of course, the second one is the one that we want. So I'm just going to go straight into that. And of course, you'll see the information here. It says when you delete your account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and so on, that means everything associated with your account will be removed. If you just like to take a break, you can also look at how to temporarily disable. But of course, I know you and you simply want to fully disable your account. So of course, you're not interested in deleting your disabling your account temporarily. So what we're going to do is move all the way down or scroll down, and you're going to go with permanent delete your account. And of course, it gives you the bunch of options here. Or basically what I should say, it gives you the directions right here. So of course, you're going to go ahead and hit the delete your account. And of course, if you're not logged in into your browser, it will ask you or prompt you to log in. So as seen here, I'm just using the app. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the delete your account page. All right, notice it's loading, and once it goes here, it gives me my username, and of course it runs you through. You'll notice this section here. Now it says we're sorry to hear that you'd like to delete your account, and of course this is the general message. You should see your user account. Please pay close attention to your user account name, as that's the user account that will be deleted. So make sure that you're logged into the correct account. You don't want to make a mistake at this stage. So be careful and just proceed as I'm showing you right now. Also, guys, you'll notice it says, of course, it runs you through. You can read this in detail. It says keeping your data safe. Nothing is more important to us than your data, right? So I say, why are you deleting your account? And of course, this is very important. And it does roll you through the options. It says something else. It says, of course, privacy concern, trouble getting started. And it says it's concerned about your data and so on. So let's choose the ones that's related to why you are deleting your account. All right, so of course it does give you several options, and I'm just gonna select all right, so you're gonna hit done. Now of course, once you hit done, you'll see a bunch of other options, and of course it says here to continue, please enter your password. And of course, this is just a double security measure to make sure it's actually you and not somebody else. And of course, the last thing you don't want to do is to delete out of error. And of course, it says permanently delete right down there. All right, guys. So I'm not gonna actually delete my account. I'm just showing you. So of course you're gonna re-enter your password. You must know it. And of course, then finally you're gonna hit permanently delete my account. Now, of course, once you do that, it will erase your account. And of course, everything related to your account is gonna be gone and you will not be able to recover it. So think very carefully before proceeding. All right, guys. So as usual, this is Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips with a detailed guide on how to permanently delete your account 100%. All right, guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.